What's up, guys? This is Waleed, and today's problem is the v versus t, so velocity versus time. The question, what's the acceleration of the object at time equal 4 seconds? Okay, so we have velocity versus time graph, and the acceleration is just the derivative of velocity in terms of time, so dv dt. So acceleration is equal to dv dt, which is equal to v2 minus v1 divided by t2 minus t1. Okay, so we have to pick just any 2 points, and then we'll find the acceleration. Any 2 points in the same acceleration. So the acceleration between this point and this point are exactly the same. So any points in between those two, it's going to give you the same acceleration. Okay, so my points I picked here and here. So v2 at this point is -10. Okay, and then so minus v1 was at this point, which is 0. Okay, and then the time 2 is 5 seconds, minus time 1 was 4 seconds, if you look at it in here. 4. So that will give you -10 meter per second square. So let's say if they ask you about the time at this point in here, after 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, if you can see, the velocity is the same. So when you do v2 minus v1, that will give you equal to 0. So that means the acceleration is 0. Okay, because the velocity is constant. Cool. Same way here, between this point and this point, the acceleration will be 0. Okay, so between, let's say, between this point and this point, the acceleration will be positive because the slope is going up in this direction, because v2 is bigger than v1, which makes the slope, the acceleration, positive. Okay, and then there's another version of this question which was asking about what's the position of whatever the particle that's moving between t equals 0 and t equal 5 seconds. Okay, assuming that at time equals 0, the position of the particle is 0. Okay, so the only way to do that is position is the integral of the velocity. Okay, so the integral of the velocity means that it's the area under the curve. So the area of these guys in here between time equals 0 and time equals 5. So just find the area under the curve here, and you can cancel those guys out because this is going to be negative area, this is going to be positive area. So the only area you should be counting for is this guy here. So this is a rectangular, and this is the triangle. Let me pick another color. Let's pick blue. So this guy here, you're going to use half base times the height. And this guy, you're going to use the height times the base. Okay? Alright guys, hope this helped. Let me know if you have any question. Good luck, bye.